Selenium for Beginners with Rex Jones II. Closed captioning is available for you. Switch CC on or off.
Next is how to use arguments and parameters. It's possible to pass one or more values to a method when calling the method. The values passed to a method are called arguments. To pass an argument, we place a value inside of the caller's parentheses. For example, let's say registration is also a cost to a car. We write the registration cost $1,500 inside coop.calculateCost. The variable that receives an argument is called a parameter. A parameter is declared inside the parentheses following the method's name using a data type and variable name, int registration. Notice the error was removed from coop.calculateCost to minivan.calculateCost. The method calculateCost int in the type car is not applicable for the arguments. It's not applicable because the caller has no argument while the method is expecting a registration value. Let's add 500 as the registration cost for minivan. Let's add registration to the calculation with price and tax. When coop and minivan calls calculate cost, it will pass 1,500 and 500 to registration inside the parentheses. So registration is included with the cost calculation. Let's run. The cost difference changed from 5,000 to 6,000. This is how we pass arguments to parameters. We pass more than one argument to a parameter using a comma. Add int price, comma, int tax, comma, as parameters. Add price and tax as arguments. 14,000 and 1,000 for coop. 9,000 and 1,000 for minivan. Remove coop.price. Remove coop.tax. Minivan.price and minivan.tax. Run. We have the same results. Coop is $16,500. Minivan is $10,500 with the difference of $6,000. That's it for the relationship between classes, objects, and methods. If you are interested, you can download the presentation and code at tinyurl.com/java-classes-objects-methods. tinyurl.com/java-classes-objects-methods.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.